In a statement released yesterday, Nelson Chamisa, the leader of Zimbabwe's main opposition party, extended his heartfelt congratulations to Starmer and the UK Labour Party for their landslide victory in the recent UK general elections. Sambi na mashoko abdanywa na Nelson Chamisa lodo subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipita mzimba chiti. Chamisa expressed his admiration for the seamless electoral process in the UK, commending all participants for their role in upholding democratic principles. This is a win for democracy, a win for better ideas, and indeed a win for the whole world, he stated, emphasizing the global significance of transparent and fair elections. The Zimbabwean leader highlighted the importance of citizen empowerment through voting, noting it's always refreshing and inspiring to witness democracy in action and see citizens empowered through ballot. Citizen voices must always count and matter. Chamisa also voiced his hopes for stronger diplomatic and economic ties between Zimbabwe and the UK under the new Labour government. He pointed out Zimbabwe's current challenges, including illegitimate disputed elections, contested national processes, endemic corruption, and highlighted authoritarian and calls for international collaboration to address these issues. Domashoko Nelson Chamisa anouya achiti aiwa ku UK avatora win. Noda kuti ma elections awo akaitwa zviri free, fair and zviri transparent. Anouya achikola up kuti UK iwe ichibetserana neZimbabwe aiwa kuti Zimbabwe iende mberi. Tudze mafundo enyu muri kudipa musoro mashoko ake. Pina comment section medu musangana subscribe kulike channel on the bell icon.